circumference you can find by length around the closed figure. If the angle is 90, what is this fraction in the simplest form? It is what? Length around the closed figure. Means you have to find length this one, and this one, this one, this one. So how do we find the arc length? Tell me. So what is the formula? Right? So that means circumference you can find by what? C equal to 5r. Then how do you find the arc length? So theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Theta 90 over 360. So multiply by what pute? 2 pi r. If the angle is 90, what is this fraction in the simplest form? It is 1 over 4. 11 centimeter. So they ask you to find the perimeter. So how do you calculate the perimeter? Gamu ekin එක. මේ 7 එක ගන්න. Right, okay. Plus මේ 11 එක ගන්න. ඒ අපි ගත්ත arc length එක 11 කියලා. Plus මෙන්න මේ ටික 7. මේ 7 එක ගන්න. Plus මෙන්න මේ 7 එක ගන්න. Right, okay. Plus මේ 7 එක ගන්න. Right. So what is the answer? 39 centimeter. පුතේ යුනිට් එක අනිවාර්යෙන් දාන්න. හරිද? perimeter එකට මෙයා එන්නේ නැහැ. Right? So perimeter means what? Length around the closed figure.